Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 QR code scanner not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now here in apps, scroll down and click on camera. And here click on camera settings. Now in camera settings, here you will find a scan QR code button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it back on, and after turning it on, scroll down and click on reset settings. Now here again click on reset to confirm, and after that go back to camera app and here click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now here click on delete to confirm, and then go back and force stop the camera app.